Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can get mentions from everyone on Tumblr. So let's get started. Firstly, open Tumblr app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon if you haven't. Next tap on settings. After that, tap on account settings. Then you can see the option of mentions. Tap on it. After that, tap on who can mention. Then you can see the option of everyone can mention me at the top. Tap on it. So this is how you can get mentioned from everyone on Tumblr. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.